welcome to my channel. This is Mama G, and for today's video is we're going to cook bok choy with mushroom. So our ingredients are garlic, mushroom, bok choy or pechay in Philippines. We're going to use oyster sauce and cooking oil. So let's cook. We're going to heat our pan or wok first, and then we're going to add oil, cooking oil. After that, we're going to add our garlic. Now it's almost brown. We're going to add our mushroom. Then our bok choy. Add a little bit of water. And then add our oyster sauce. Cover it and simmer around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to open. So it's already cooked, ready to serve. Our bok choy with mushroom. If you want more tastier, you can add more salt or more light soy sauce or oyster sauce. I hope you like our recipe for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about the recipe. And this is Mama G. See you in my next video. Bye!